So I went ahead and used it for the first time today. And I think I'm impressed. Although I can't see anything because I poked myself in the eye with a mascara wand. It's all red. But anyway, this gives a very matte, pretty medium coverage. It doesn't, as far as I can see, because I am blind, it didn't go into my wrinkles. It's very mattifying, very nice coverage. It's covered up all the rosacea on my nose and cheeks that my foundation, I do have a foundation underneath, didn't manage to get. And I'm 57, by the way. I don't feel that it's gone into my creases and wrinkles. So overall, on the first try, I'm impressed with the Shape Tape. Very different packaging here in Japan. Kind is the new pretty. On the inside here, you can see that the pressed powder's got these nice ribbon effects on it with the Tarte engraving. You can barely see it there. And it has a second layer, as many of these powders do, where you have a small sponge. And, you know, this is not a very luxe sponge or luxe casing, in my opinion, but these sponges do tend to do pretty well. So obviously, I haven't used this yet. Today is the first day. So I got the color 22N Light Neutral. And the second line here, it says it's the Shape Tape Pressed Powder in Japanese. And this is actually made in Korea. I also like their Shape Tape Eye Concealer, although I don't have any of that right now. And that's what got me onto buying this. I needed a pressed powder, tried it out. Yeah, pleased so far. And I'll give you an update in a second for you, but a week for me on how I feel about it after using it for a week. Okay, so it hasn't been a week. It has been 5 days, and I can't see you because I haven't got my glasses on. The lighting is overhead, so I've had to tilt from this direction so that you can see the lighting on my face here. But I've been using this every day for the past few days, and I think I've got my new powder set because I chose the right color. It's working in every way I wanted it to, so okay, I got my glasses back on. The one thing I did change is I started using a brush. So I only use that sponge for a couple of times, and the other 3 times I've been using this. And I just find I have more control with this brush, but in a pinch, the sponge works as well. Recommend.